Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw from crypto.com to external wallet. So in order to withdraw from crypto.com to external wallet, all you need to do is first thing first, go ahead and log in into your crypto.com account. Now due to some security concern, the steps are unavailable or that won't be recorded, so I'm unable to show you the following steps. So make sure to follow the instructions carefully. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and tap the icon located right at the bottom, then go to your crypto wallet. So once you tap the crypto wallet button, after that go ahead and tap on transfer button, and then you need to go to withdrawals, and from the withdrawals go to external wallet. Now click the add wallet address button and add a new withdrawal address where you actually want to add and where you actually want to withdraw, and enter in the exact amount that you're withdrawing and select the cryptocurrency you would like to withdraw and the network you wish to. Then review all of the information that you've provided and confirm the withdrawal process. So in that way you can withdraw from crypto.com to external wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.